In this video, we will explain how to perform the IDG servicing in case of oil low level on engine number 3. Warning: be careful when you work on the engine components immediately after engine shutdown. The engine components can stay hot for up to 1 hour. Wear goggles, insulated gloves, and other protective clothes. Hot oil can burn your eyes and skin. Caution: do not operate the IDG if it contains too much oil or not enough oil. If you do, you can damage the IDG. Use only new oil cans when you fill the IDG with oil or add oil to the IDG. The oil contamination that stays in an open can may cause quick deterioration of the IDG. Use only approved types or brands of lubricants. Do not mix types or brands of lubricants. Do not use solvents that contain chlorine to clean equipment used to fill the IDG with oil, pump, hoses, tank, and funnel. Oil-chlorine contamination can cause quick deterioration of the IDG. Open the right door of the fan cowl on engine number 3. In case of IDG oil low level, an IDG servicing must be performed. A special turbine engine synthetic base lubricating oil must be used to lubricate the IDG. Install a 5.6-liter container below the IDG. Remove the dust cap from the overflow drain valve. Depressurize the IDG case by connecting the overflow drain hose of the engine oil filling up tank to the overflow drain valve. Caution: make sure you connect the hose of the overflow drain valve correctly. This hose lets the oil in the IDG drain to the correct level. If there is too much oil in the IDG will become too hot. Some oil can come out of the overflow drain hose of the engine oil filling up tank when you connect it. Remove the dust cap from the pressure fill valve. Connect the pressure fill hose of the engine oil filling up tank to the pressure fill valve. Pump the filtered oils into the IDG to 40 psi maximum. Stop this operation when a minimum of 1 quart of oil has flown down from the overflow drain hose of the engine oil filling up tank. Remove the pressure fill hose of the engine oil filling up tank from the pressure fill valve and install the dust cap on the pressure fill valve. When only drops of oil come out of the overflown drain hose of the engine filling up tank, remove it. Then, install the dust cap on the overflow drain valve. Close the right door of the fan cowl on engine number 3. The IDG number 3 servicing is completed.